How to update firmware on Hisense Smart TV. So your first step would be to simply turn on your TV, press the settings on your remote, and then go to support and then click on the system update or software update. Click on check for updates, and if there are any available, simply download and install. Now, some important tips before you update your firmware: make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Do not turn your television off during the update, as the update can take 5 to 15 minutes. Now, another option you can try is enabling auto update, which is just to go to settings, support, system update, and then turn on auto firmware update. Your TV will update itself automatically. And then a third option you could try is updating via USB device, that is a flash drive. Now, if the internet fails, just simply go to the Hisense official website using your laptop. Then simply search for your TV model, download the firmware file, that's the latest firmware file, copy to a USB, that's a USB device that is on the FAT32 format, and then plug that USB into your TV, go to settings, support, and update via USB. Your TV will then install the update manually. And that's it.